Welcome back to my channel, guys. Ricky here. Please, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. So today we're going to be doing a DIY on a sugar scrub. So if you have the ingredients we'll be using are just basic ingredients we find in our homes, in our kitchen. You just use those ingredients. So first off, the main ingredient, sugar. We need sugar. This is brown sugar, and sugar scrub is great. You go use take scrub those dead skin cells wey dey your skin. You scrub am well, your skin will glow. You're gonna look lit. You're gonna be like, who that trying to blind us with the glow? So yes, guys, brown sugar, white sugar. I'm going to be mixing white and brown sugar, but more brown sugar, less white sugar. And it's 100% organic on honey. It is perfect. We were talking about authenticity. This is your guy. So yes, olive oil. We need that for moisturization. Carrot oil. No, this is coconut oil. So my previous video, I posted a DIY on coconut oil and carrot oil. So I'm going to be adding this to my sugar scrub. Make sure you go check that video out, guys. I'm also going to be using green tea. Yes, guys. I want to stop saying guys. I really need to stop saying that. Yes, people. I'm going to be using a bag of this green tea. You know, green tea is great. It's rich in antioxidants. So we're also going to be using lemon. You're making a sugar scrub and you're not adding lemons to it. What? Are you allergic or something? So guys, I'm using my lemons. Very important. They have natural lightening agents in them, and I need that glow, sis. If you need that glow, use lemon. It helps with blemishes and all of this stuff. We'll be using the juice of the lemon, and this is my container that I'll be using because I'm going to put this in the shelf of in my bathroom. So I don't need a mason jar actually. This is a container from the soap that I use. It's a black soap. So I'm just going to put it in here. I mean, it's not like I'm selling it or something. For my face, I've been suffering from acne for 6 years now. Yes, I've been suffering from acne for 6 years. So it's in the genes, I guess. My dad used to have acne when he was younger. So the time this will go, I've been treating my face, guys. I've spent a lot of money on my face, and finally I'm starting to get results since I started to try a more natural product on my face. So here I have a breakout. That's because I'm about to see my monthly, and that usually happens when it's approaching. So pardon my acne face. God will help me very soon. But it's not that bad. It used to be bad. It was so bad that people would see me on the road and be like, everything to your face. Come make a head. Come at everything with you. I'm like, oh, thank you. I know. People were just in my business because of how bad my acne were. If you can see, it's healing. You can see that I used to be someone that had bad acne. And that's it, guys. Let's get right
here I am squeezing out the juice of the lemon. And lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. Lemons are naturally acidic. It decreases inflammation such as acne and all of those stuff that are not nice. Lemons are antifungal, and this is my green tea and lemon juice mixture. And now I am adding my coconut oil. Lemons have antiseptic qualities which help exfoliate dead skin cells. So this is my coconut oil, and now I'm adding my carrot oil to this mixture. Here it goes. Just the right quantity is enough. You can just keep adding, depends on how much oil you want in your scrub. And this is my honey, and now my olive oil. And I know I have put in 3 different types of oil, and this is because I want all of it in my scrub. You don't have to use all of this oil. You could just use coconut or olive oil mixture. So sugar is hydrating and salt isn't. So if you have oily skin, I would advise you use salt. So I have an oily skin and it's just my face that is oily, but the other part of my body isn't. So I use salt scrub for my face instead. You can also use the scrub for your lip too, as a lip exfoliator. If you have cuts and cracks, do not use scrub on your skin or on your lip. It is unacceptable. So sugar scrub exfoliates the dead skin cells or the product buildup that you might have on your skin. Exfoliating with sugar scrub can help create an appearance of a smoother, glowing, and youthful skin. So this is me stirring, trying to mix everything together. So I added more sugar because I felt like it wasn't the consistency that I wanted. So I added more brown sugar, and I am still going to add more white sugar to it. It is always important to scrub your skin. It is important. So that is why I'm sharing with you guys this really simple sugar scrub recipe. Keep stirring till you feel like it is okay. I would not even lie, I put that in my mouth. I wanted to taste it. It looked so good. So I applied this on the back of my hand just to see how it's turned out. So make sure you rub your scrub in a circular motion. It helps to free your ingrown hairs. Funny enough, fade stretch marks too. Exfoliate before you shave to avoid all the bumps and all of those yama yama that nobody wants. So you can have your skin, your pubic area looking beautiful. So this homemade all natural body scrub is perfect for all skin types. Only if you have a very sensitive skin, I would advise you don't use this. But since I have added honey to this mixture, I feel it has diluted whatever effect or acidic content that the lemon might have. Not totally, but so good consistency. And I just turned the sugar scrub into my jar, my container, whatever, and it is ready to use. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, and I hope you have enjoyed my DIY. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye guys.